I'm Vicky, I'm a first year apprentice, and I'm just going to talk to you about the tool bag that I've been sent from Klein Tools, and tell you a bit about how I've used some of the tools inside of it. So this is the tool bag. It's a backpack tool bag, really robust, really good. You can carry it, obviously you've got your two straps on the back, and then if you're just carrying it from a short distance, you've got the two handles on the top, which are really helpful. It's got 3 pockets on the front, so you've got your Velcro pocket, so I tend to just keep sort of gloves and tape inside, and then you've got your 2 zip pockets on there at the bottom with a few more sort of bits in there. Put your other bits and bobs in. I've got a drill bit in there, not much to be honest currently, but and then the other bigger bit where I've got my headlamp there and bit more tape just in case run out. And then the main bit, so which is really good, you've got 2 zips, and then so it opens right up. You can open it all the way, obviously. So I've got in here, I've got my snips, really nice to hold. I've used them quite a bit actually at college, doing sort of one-way, two-way light switching circuits. Really nice to use. And then I've got the pliers, which currently, as you can tell, are a bit stiff. I haven't used them all that much, haven't had the opportunity to yet, but again, feel really nice to hold. Really nice pair of pliers. Then a few spare, loads and loads of pockets again. At the bottom here, with the company that I work for, we do sort of predominantly commercial and industrial, so the Gecko Gripper I haven't used. I've used it once, and it was really good to sort of pull through a cable on when I did a bit of domestic work, but so I don't use that too much, but it will be really handy in the future to have. Then on this side I've got my screwdrivers. Absolutely fantastic. They're the best screwdrivers that I've used so far. The Klein screwdriver is brilliant. Bit hard to explain. It's obviously you've got your rubber there, but this bit here is really nice. It's sort of not like other screwdrivers where it's just round all the way. It's got a sort of little nodule there. I don't know if you can see it, which really helps you sort of get a good grip when you are fixing whatever you're fixing in your back boxes, you're screwing, whatever your fixings are. So 2 Pozis there, 3 terminals, again the same thing, really nice screwdriver, really like them. Okay, then I've got a super rod cable kit again, which unfortunately I haven't been able to use yet. Then you've got a level, really nice substantial level. Got your magnetic bits on the back, so any metal back boxes, plonk it on there, stays. It's really useful. And last in here I've got the tape measure, which is really it's a really big substantial tape measure, so I don't take that everywhere with me on a daily basis unless I know I'm going to need it, or the electrician I'm working with tells me to bring a tape measure. So but again, a really nice tape measure.